Welcome back to my channel, y'all, and today we're doing the best seafood fried rice recipe, you guys. And this is a quick under 30-minute meal, so delicious, you guys, full of seafood. And this will be under my Asian inspired recipe playlist. Make sure you check it out. Let's go. So I'm starting with some day-old rice, a short grain, and I actually left it uncovered to make sure it's fully dried out. Then for my protein, I'm doing shrimp, bay scallops, some pre-cooked octopus, some sprouts and onions, but you can do any variety you want. Also have some green onions and some white pepper, salt, a couple of eggs and sesame oil. And then I have a combination of both dark and regular soy sauce, and we're gonna get into it. So let's go. So I'm gonna always, when I do a fried rice, you guys seen in my other recipes, I'm going to scramble my eggs first and then remove it from the skillet and set it to the side. So I'm going to just finish cooking up my seafood, and while I do that, go ahead and use this opportunity, if you have not already, to click that subscribe button. And thank you so much to all of you guys who have already subscribed to my channel and are supporting, and shout out to my fellow creators. So again, when you do a fried rice, just to get that authentic taste, you need to do it in batches. You don't want to do all of it at once. So I'm going to start with some onions and oil, and then I'm going to put in about 2 cups of rice and a little splash of dark soy sauce, and season it up with just some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to stir it up, and then I'm going to, the first batch is going to go into a separate bowl, and then we'll cook the second. So after all batches have been prepped, I'm going to throw it everything back into the skillet, add my my bean sprouts, and let that cook up because we want to keep that texture. And so the eggs, and lastly the seafood, because you don't want to have hard gummy seafood. So it only takes just a minute, and you give it a good toss, and then we're going to add in those green onions for a little pop of color as well as taste. We don't do peas and carrots in this household. I know you guys are looking for it, but this is how we're going to eat it. And here you go. Listen, the octopus is amazing, so tender and delicious with that shrimp and those scallops. And y'all, this is the ultimate fried rice, you guys. But hold on, let me let you get that bite. We're not playing with chopsticks today. Go ahead and take that bite, y'all. There you go. So good, you guys. So I hope you guys try this recipe out. Again, a quick meal. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And remember to subscribe and like this video as well. And remember, new recipes every single week. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next week in my new video. Bye, y'all.